What do you use for e-commerce?
Yeah. So, like I mentioned, Crumbl's a very tech-forward company, and we actually built our own point of sale
Wow.
that all the stores use. It uses Stripe as our merchant processor,
hmm
but yeah, we built it ourselves. We
How did that happen? Is the founder a tech person?
He is, yeah. So Jason comes from a tech background, and he saw the amount that our franchise partners were spending on Square, because originally we were on Square. The costs associated with that, the some of the fat in the program that we were paying for that we never used, as well as some shortcomings in other areas. And he's like, we can do this better. That's like if there's a sentence that describes Jason McGowan, it's we can do this better. He looks at things in a way that other people don't, and it's so great. So he committed to it. We brought on Bryce, who's our CTO, and together they started building.
That is amazing. A cookie company that built its own point of sale system
Yep.